Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Nova 9. Firstly, open App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Over here, we need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then go with Send on an Android and Receive on Huawei. After that, you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo, like that one. Choose Send. Come on. And got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Nova 9, choose Allow while using the app and point your camera at the QR code. After that, we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. You can always make sure of it by going into, for example, App Files, choosing Resend and looking for Send Anywhere section, like that one. As you can see, my photo is already here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!